In this video, we will take a quick tour of Stock Portfolio Organizer's advanced grouping and filtering abilities to be able to analyze your trades in ways that are only limited by your imagination. To begin with, let's take a look at Trade Groups feature. When entering trades, you can select one or more groups the trade belongs to. Just in case this is the first time you're using Stock Portfolio Organizer, I will show you what I am talking about. Click Enter Trade from the main menu, then click OK. If we open the Trade Group Assignments tab, we can see all the available trade groups this trade can be assigned to. For example, you may want to group your trades by market, by sector, or you may want to test a trading system you have been working on and would like to be able to see how it performs compared to your live trading account. To do that, you can create a trade group for your live trades and a trade group for your paper trades, which will allow you to compare the performance of each group separately. You can also combine groups together using trade group unions. For example, if you have many trade groups for different sectors called lithium, gold, oil, health, IT, etc., you can create a combined trade group union called resources, which includes, for example, lithium, gold, and oil trade groups. Trade groups also allow you to specify a base currency, so putting trades with different currencies into the same group is fully supported, just in case you are trading a foreign market. Trades with a currency different to the trade group's base currency will simply be converted using currency conversion map formulas. Currency map formulas will be covered in detail in another video. Creating a trade group or trade group union is very simple. Simply click Trade Groups or Trade Group Unions from the main menu, then click New, and complete the necessary fields. For this video, we have created a small sample portfolio with trades in two different markets. First, let's take a look at the list of all currently open trades and see how to filter trades based on different criteria. To do that, open the Currently Open Trades view, once it is open, uncheck the Show All option, which should enable various filtering options. Then click the Advanced Trade Filter button, which should display the following window. As you can see, there are many options to filter trades. For example, we can filter trades based on whether they have a stop loss or not, appear in a particular trade group, or whether they appear in a watch list. These advanced filtering options are available in most views. For example, let's say we wanted to see only trades that belong to the ASX Top 100. The easiest would be to assign trades to the groups they belong to as you enter them, and then filter by the trade group you are interested in. Another way would be to go on the internet and download the list of symbols for, say, the ASX Top 100 and create a watch list from that to filter by. We have a watch list of the ASX Top 100 that we created earlier, so we need to enable the ability to filter by watch list, then select the watch list we want to filter by. In this case, the ASX Top 100. Then click OK to save the filter options. Next, we need to refresh the view to apply the trade filter. You can also do the exact same thing in the equity chart view to see how your ASX Top 100 trades are performing, or in the summary view to see their performance metrics. For example,